Oh, my son has put a marble in there. Hey guys, it is Cleshawn and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 10 pairs of shoes you need to have in your wardrobe. So this video is a part of my wardrobe essentials series. I've already done a video on the clothes that you need to have in your wardrobe. I believe it was 21 pieces. I will make sure to leave a link right up above and I will also put it in the description box below. So please go ahead and check that out. So before I get into those 10 shoes I think you should have, I want to go ahead and ask you to please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow. I love doing this. I love sharing my knowledge that I've accumulated over the years. So if you want to join my community, my very good, authentic, real feel-good community, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to get notified as well by clicking the bell. All right, let me go ahead and show you those 10 shoes now. Okay, I just put some shoes on my shelves here in my hallway. I am not going to start in any particular order. I'm just going to start from the shoes up top and work my way down. So the first pair of shoes I'm going to show you are my Acne booties. So I don't think I necessarily need to mention the brand because it really doesn't matter the brand. You just get whatever brand works for you. But I think that you should have some black booties. These ones I've had for a few years now. They are really good. All of the shoes I'm showing you have been worn in, so you can see I am living my truth. All of these shoes I wear all the time. So these black booties, I think that you should have some. They go with anything. You dress them up, you dress them down. Every shoe you should be able to dress up or down depending on the occasion. My whole philosophy is like your wardrobe should work for you. You should be able to mix and match, and your shoes and your clothes, you should be able to dress them up or dress them down. Really does not matter. This depends on your mood for the day and the occasion. Anywho, so I think you need to have some black booties. The next pair of shoes I'm going to show you are something bold. Again, this is not in any order, but you just need a bold shoe. It really doesn't matter. It could be a tennis shoe depending on your style. It could be a loafer. It could be a sandal. It can be a vintage shoe. It really doesn't matter. Just something bold that's fun, that kind of brings you joy. So that shoe for me is these like silver mesh boots that I got from Zara like last year, 2 years ago. I can't even remember. I have worn them so much they are scraped up in the front, so I need to figure out a way of fixing these. I'm gonna fix them because I'm not gonna throw them away because they just fit so perfectly and they're so cool. And for me, my style is a little bit more minimalist, so this is my bold. Your bold doesn't have to be like bright red or sequins or feathers. It could just be silver or gold or whatever, just something that is bold for you. The next item I'm gonna show you are classic pointy toe heels or pumps, whatever you want to call them. I have owned these shoes for, I'm going to say 5 years. I don't even know. I have worn the crap out of these shoes. They are scuffed here, all in the heel. I mean, I actually also got these from Zara. They have some really cheap shoes, but then they also have very like luxurious shoes, which is interesting. But anywho, these are classic. Anytime I have a dress up event, these are the shoes I'm more than likely gonna wear. So I definitely think you need a pointy toe black heel. The next shoe I am going to show you are a pair of black loafers. So these are my Gucci loafers that I got maybe 2 years ago. So I just think a loafer works really well for everyone. You know, it's more of a dress up shoe, a professional shoe. If you have a meeting to go to, a loafer is always going to work, as well as your pointy toe pumps and even your black booties. But I just think a loafer is nice because it's a little bit more comfortable, especially if you have to be on your feet all day. I'm going to give you a pro tip. Go ahead and buy yourself some of these cedar wood inserts. Anytime I buy a luxury shoe, like an expensive shoe, I automatically buy these to go in the shoe, because if I'm going to spend a great deal of money on a pair of shoes, I want to make sure that it keeps its shape and it keeps it fresh and the smell just really nice. So go ahead and get you a cedar insert as well. You can find them anywhere. So yeah, black loafers. By the way, with the loafers, you can also do Oxfords if you're more into a lace-up shoe. So if maybe you don't like loafers, then I actually think an Oxford works as well. The next shoe I'm going to show you is a slip-in Mule. I just think these are so chic. So for me, I like these shoes when maybe I don't want to wear heels. Maybe I don't want to wear my pointy toe black pumps because my feet hurt. So then I have these trusty Mules. They still look good. You can even wear these with like an evening gown, you know. So I do think that you should have some Mules. A few summers ago, I had a brown suede Mule that I was wearing all the time. I'll make sure to leave a link above where you can check out how I was wearing that brown Mule, but I really don't think it needs to be a certain color. I do think that this is a really chic choice and a really versatile choice, but I think as long as you keep the Mule in a neutral tone, you're fine. So The next pair of shoes I'm going to show you are a pair of nude heels. These aren't necessarily nude for me, but they are a neutral nude. I think I will go ahead and replace these with something a little bit closer to my skin tone, but these are just the shoes that I have now, and I've worn these a few times and I feel that these are great. I don't really do high heels. This is pretty much the highest I'm gonna go, but just make it any height that you want. This guy and this guy, the black pointy toe, are gonna be your options for when you need to dress up an outfit. Sometimes black can be a little harsh, so then that's when you go with the nude heel, because it's just gonna go with everything. You don't even have to think about your shoes, especially if you want maybe your dress to be the focus. So I really do think that you need to get a nude heel. The next shoe I'm gonna show you is also in the nude category. So I think you should get some flats, and personally I think you should get some flats that are nude, the color of your skin, or at least a neutral color. I like these to wear to work, or I can wear it with a casual outfit. These are pointy toe. I just prefer pointy toe over round toe for myself, but you can get ballet flats, traditional ones, suede, leather, really doesn't matter. I just think that you should have some flats / ballet flats that will work pretty much in any outfit, professional, casual, or dress up. So I like these. I personally just prefer them in my skin tone because I just feel like it goes with everything. I really don't have to think about the shoe. So this is why I think you need to get a nude ballet flat or pointy toe flat, just flats. The next shoe I'm going to show you is a classic sandal. My sandals this summer are these gladiator black sandals. I don't think that you need to have a specific sandal. I just think it needs to be a minimalist sandal, preferably not too chunky. But I just think if you can keep your sandal very minimal, it's going to pretty much go with anything, and it's a little bit more timeless, so you don't have to worry about like replacing the sandal every year because the trend has gone out. So a gladiator sandal is always classic. It's always going to be in style. So I think that you should get a classic sandal in a neutral color to just go with anything, any of your summer outfits. So the last two pairs of shoes I'm going to show you are casual shoes. The first being just a pair of classic casual sneakers. For me, these are my Vans. I love these shoes. I just think they're really great. I also have a pair in white. Canvas sneakers are really trending right now, but canvas sneakers are always going to be in trend. You never need to worry about that. But I think you should have a casual sneaker that you will actually be able to dress up, especially if you have this more Scandinavian style like I do. You can pretty much wear a ball gown with a pair of funky tennis shoes and you are good to go. So the last pair of shoes I'm going to show you are a pair of white sneakers. I do think that you should have a fun white casual shoe, whether it's an Air Force One, if it's a Van Old School, a Vija, I don't even know how that's pronounced. Just a pair of white sneakers. These happen to be Vans. These are my slip-in ones. I love these. I've had these for a few years now. I will link another video where I styled these in so many different ways because I do think that having a pair of clean white shoes are just so essential, especially for minimalist style. But even if you don't have minimalist style, it goes with everything. Again, you'll be able to dress it up or dress it down. So those were my 10 pairs of shoes. I will try to maybe make a lookbook if you guys are into that, like how to wear these 10 shoes. I'm not sure yet. Just tell me what you are wanting and I'll try to make a video around it. So just put it in the comment box below so that I know what kind of content you guys are looking for. So this is the second bit in my wardrobe essentials videos. I will keep going with these. I have more parallel series, the how to style series, as well as how to find your personal style series. So stay tuned for those videos as well. Again, go ahead and jump in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking, and I will see you next time.